All right, today we are going to demonstrate partner stretching for your pec muscles. So these muscles in the front of the chest, again, commonly get tight because, again, just our lifestyle tends to be right here. So this is a great, if you're having any sort of shoulder pain, this is a great stretch to do with your partner. So if I'm going to be stretching Kate's left shoulder, I am going to be on the left side of the table, and we're going to start with her knees bent and her feet flat on the table. And all we're going to do is let them kind of just passively fall to the side there. Then from there, what we're going to do, we're going to take her left arm, and it's just going to kind of passively almost just hang off the table there. So you might even feel a light stretch on the front side of that left shoulder there. And then all it's going to be, I'm going to take my left hand and put it right over her left shoulder just to really pin it down. And then from there, the pressure is going to be on the arm. And so what you want to be careful with and play around with, and again, communicate with the person that you're stretching, is the positioning of this arm. So if you want more stretch, you can kind of bring that arm up more into like a 45 versus being at a 90-degree angle here. So you're here, and again, just let it fall. And then again, you can just press a little bit of pressure on that arm, and she should be feeling the stretch right across that pec muscle right there. So there you have it. That is the partner pec stretch.